This is infested. Look at these larvae. Moths, wax moths, larvae. So that's why you see the bees. This was on the at the bottom of the hive and never checked it. It's been long for months. I never checked this hive. So what happened? The bees disliked the hive was too deep on one super. They never used the bottom root box, only they used the top one, and they used the super. And then today they swarmed. Actually the queen was dropped on the ground on the grasses. I picked up her up, but the bees were swarmed and sit in another hive entrance, and luckily I got them. So this because of the cause of swarm today was this.